Hey everyone! Welcome back to Network Academy Fun, where we learn to become data center engineers while having a good time. Today's lesson: first class for your packets. Understanding quality of service. QoS. Hey everyone, and welcome back to Network Academy Fun. Today, we're diving into a topic that sounds super fancy but is actually incredibly important for making the internet feel fast. Quality of service, or QoS for short. Think of it like a VIP pass for your most important data. We're gonna make sure your video calls don't freeze and your gaming doesn't lag. Imagine a single-lane road during rush hour. Everyone's trying to get somewhere. But if a big truck breaks down, everything grinds to a halt. That's kinda what our network traffic can look like without QoS. Without it, your super important work video call might get stuck behind someone downloading a huge game update, leading to pixelated faces and awkward silences. No fun. So, how do we tell the difference between urgent voice data and a casual meme download? We mark our packets. It's like putting a little sticky note on each data packet saying, "I'm super important," or "I can wait a bit." We'll talk about things like DSCP, Differentiated Services Code Point, and QoS, Class of Service. Fancy names for these digital VIP stamps. Once our packets are marked, what next? We give them express lanes. Networks use different queues, think of them as separate lines at an airport. Voice and video packets get to jump into the first-class queue, while less time-sensitive data chills in economy. This ensures that your "hello, can you hear me?" gets delivered right now. But what if someone tries to sneak into the VIP lane with non-VIP packets? Or just sends too much important data? That's where policing and shaping come in. It's like having a bouncer at the club ensuring only valid VIPs get in, or a traffic cop making sure no one speeds excessively on the express lane. We prevent one person from hogging all the good stuff. This isn't just theoretical. QoS is everywhere. Ever had a crystal clear VoIP call? Thank QoS. Smooth, uninterrupted video conferencing for work or school. QoS. Online gaming where your ping isn't sky high. You guessed it, QoS is helping out. It's the unsung hero making our digital lives so much better. As I continue my journey to become a data center engineer, understanding QoS is becoming a total superpower. Imagine managing hundreds of servers, each with critical applications. Knowing how to implement QoS means I can guarantee performance for our most vital services, prevent outages, and keep everything running like a well-oiled machine. It's not just theory, it's about making real-world networks perform. So, we've learned that QoS isn't just a fancy acronym. It's the intelligence that prioritizes our network traffic, making sure our most important data gets where it needs to go, fast and reliably. From marking packets to clever queuing and policing, it's all about making the network work for us. Next time your video call is perfect, give a little nod to QoS. What's one thing you found most interesting? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.